Sleep Exchange crypto channel.
All right, guys, it's Sajay again. In my last video, I promised to show you how you can make money trading in PancakeSwap or investing in PancakeSwap. All right, so apart from swapping, there are a whole lot of other things you can do on PancakeSwap. Like you can stake in liquidity pools. So liquidity pools are just in a literal form, they are like a bank where lots of people invest lots of funds. All right. What we call liquidity is cash that is made available for a project, for a particular project. So liquidity pool, lots of people put their funds together in that particular pool and make profits. So what we do in staking or in yield farming is that we make our assets available so that they can be used to conduct transaction. They can be used to conduct lots of activities on that particular system or on that particular network, while we get, remunerations and we get profits from the business that is done underground. But that's not your business anyway. You don't need to know what your money or your fund is being used for. So what your interest is in making your own money. So we're going to head to PancakeSwap.finance again and then check it out. So head to PancakeSwap, swap.finance, right? So always be sure that you are using the right extension, PancakeSwap.finance. So at this point, you have the option to connect your wallet. If you have not done that, you should do. And if you don't have your wallet in your system, check my last video. I showed you how you can connect your wallet to PancakeSwap with ease. So I'm going to connect my wallet, and my wallet is connected. So head to earn and then to farms. So here in my farms, I have the option to check live farms and finished farms. All right, it's called farms because the way it was designed is that you can earn multiple income on different protocols, right? So you can move from one protocol to the other with your assets and make lots of money. So these are finished farms. So if you check here, you'll see stakings that are already concluded. So these ones are no longer on. So you go back to live, you will see the ones that you can invest in at the moment. And also, as much as their APR, you can see APR ranging from 46% to 19%, 76%. So APR is annual percentage return. So this is what you are expected to earn annually when you invest. So that's what your APR is. I'm going to show you how you can just know what your APR is while trying to make an investment. So these are different liquidity protocols or liquidity pools that I can invest in. The Cake BNB pair, the Cake BUSD pair, the Cake USDT pair, BUSD, and all the rest of them. So now before you can stake, you must have the base token, which is the Cake. You must have it in your wallet. So let's say I'm going to stake these. So I click on it and then add liquidity. So this is the point where I will add liquidity. So I'm adding this with this. All right. So I must have some balance of Cake or some balance of BNB anyways. So you can have, let's say if I have 2 Cake there, that's its equivalence in BNB. So I can now proceed to making my deposit. So once you click on add liquidity, this is the point where you add liquidity, but again, it's showing insufficient BNB balance. So if you add liquidity, these particular pairs will be added and your farm will start growing. So you are expected to earn 6.12%. Now, how do you check for your annual percentage return? At the right point here, there is something that looks like a calculator. So once you click on it, it opens up to show you your ROI calculator. So you can choose a specific amount. Let's say if I invest a BNB or a cake worth 500, okay, what 500 USD. All right. So this is it. So if I invest these, that's about 98 cake. What I am going to earn in a day, in 7 days, in 30 days, in 1 year is shown below. All right. So if I click on, if I stake for 30 days, all right, you can also choose to compound by 12 hours, by 1 day, for 7 days. So compound interest, as we all know, means that whatsoever that you earned within this period of time, you are asking the system to reinvest it into the liquidity pool. So let's say in my 30 days earning is supposed to be 3.32. So I'm asking the system every 12 hours, this 3.32, add it back to my original balance, 500, and put it back to the pool. So my next investment is going to be 503. That's what it means. So you can compound every 12 hourly, you can compound every day, you can compound 7 days, you can compound 30 days. So this is, so as you compound, what I'm saying is whatever I have earned here, add it back to the liquidity pool and invest again and show me my money. So whatever that is accrued every 12 hours, every 1 day, every 7 days, add it back to the liquidity pool and let me have my profit. So this is a simple way you can know what you're going to earn. So with 500, I'm going to earn 3.32. All right. So by 1 year, I'm going to earn $40. All right. So this is how you can see in short how your earning is going to look like, okay, in liquidity pool investments, or what we call yield farming. So this is called yield farming. So what we call APR, like I explained, is annual percentage return. What is expected that you can earn annually, okay? So that's how your funds is calculated. So this is the total staked liquidity. This is one thing to look out for when adding your money to a particular liquidity pool. So you look at the staked liquidity, how much how much cash has been invested in this particular pool. So I have $13,365,685 already in this pool. That means a lot of people are already in this particular pool investing and making lots of money. So you can go down and look out for other pools. You can as well decide to sort by hot, by APR. You want to see those with the highest number of APR. So we see insane APRs, 314, 309, as the case may be. Go back there, multiplier. You can sort by multiplier, the ones with highest multipliers. You can sort by earned, right? You can sort by liquidity. You can sort by latest. So you want to see the latest on this particular platform, the latest that have been listed. So this is how you can look out for good yield farms and make lots of money. Trust me, you may look at the APR and say it's little, but it's better than leaving your funds somewhere else that it's not adding, it's not reducing, all right? Or it may be reducing anyways. So you need to learn how to make smart investments. Crypto is all about taking the smart move and making lots of money. So with this, you can earn 20, 30 extra dollars every week. And that's not bad, So if you have that $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 lying low, $10,000, you can just decide to put it here and cash out per week or cash out per month, as the case may be. So this is what we call liquidity farming in a very short way. In my next video, you need to check out. I'm going to show you how you can make a whole lot of cash on this liquidity pool and other yield farmings available. All right, see you next time. Thank you very much for always supporting my brand. Do share this video and enlighten others about how they can make money in this crypto space. Love you guys.